What's up guys, Amfor here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to kickflip. I kickflip many things in my days. Stick around to the end of the video. You can check out a clip when I kickflip a 10 stair in high school. Let's get started. So, this is your footing for kickflip. Front foot at an angle more towards your wheel, and the back foot here, it's more of that pocket here. Keep your foot inside there. This will give you the best pop, best flick, and best control of the board. You will snap your tail. This foot will slide to the very tip of the nose. Once you flick at the nose at the very tip, that's gonna make it level out, make you have control. That's how you land bolts. These are the common mistakes people do when they first start doing kickflips. They like to put their footing like this. That's the wrong way to put your feet, because the board will usually rock it or it will shift when you flick. You want to be in this position here. That way when you flick, the board will balance out in the air, making you land bolts. So that's how you kickflip, guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys a clip of me back in the day when I was kickflipping everything, and roll the clip. And that's my video, guys, on how to kickflip. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any suggestions for any future videos, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It helps out my algorithm. And thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.